So let's have Mr. Williams come forward. Mr. Williams, could you come forward to the front of the courtroom, please? Good morning, Mr. Williams.
Good morning, madam.
Thank you for your patience this morning. Your case number is 26 CR 01922. On January the 29th, 2026, sir, you were charged with trespassing. Did you understand the charge, sir?
Yes.
James Demetrius or Craig.
Excuse me for a moment. Mr. Williams, it looks like you were charged with trespassing at the RTC bus station. Did you understand the charge?
Yes.
All right, thank you. I set bail at a minimum bail of $250 for you, sir. Does the city wish to be heard as to that bail amount?
Your Honor, I would request that the court consider increasing that bail. In support of that, the pretrial arrest assessment report indicates that the defendant has a history of nuisance arrest and failing to handle court matters, that he was last released from jail on January 24th. Date of offense is January 29th in this case. As far as his history is concerned, Your Honor, and this is just the history with our court, we last saw him at the end of 2025 on a simple battery and a trespass. He was convicted of the simple battery and was given 10 days. Your Honor, based upon this history of non-compliance, the fact that he's been in and out of our court system, was last released from the jail a few days ago, I am going to ask that you consider increasing the bail to $500 bondable with a no contact order. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Puentes.
Your Honor, he's unable to make the $250, let alone an increase. This is trespassing at the bus station. He's already been in jail 3 days. We're asking you to consider a known recognizance release, and he understands he'll need to stay away from the bus station.
Mr. Williams, how are you supporting yourself, sir?
Ma'am, on the day of my arrest, I was out looking for work, and the security guards at the bus station told me that I could ride the bus, that I was just not able to make contact with the bus station property itself. So with that being said, what happened on the 29th was I was getting off the bus at the bus station, and I asked my friend to bring me my property because I was trying to leave the bus station property. And during me leaving the bus station property while asking my friend for my property, the security guards told me that I need to leave, and I was telling them I was just trying to get my property so that I could leave, and they didn't like that. So
Well, you'd already been trespassed from the bus station, and it sounds like you were aware of that, correct?
yes, I was aware, ma'am, and like I said, I was not trying to be there at all. The security guards told me that I could ride the bus, but once I get to the bus station, I need to leave immediately, which was what I was doing. But during that process of me leaving, I was also trying to gain my property from my friend, which was the delay in the process of me leaving, which led to my arrest.
All right. Well, yeah, this creates a conundrum because it's my job to keep the bus station safe from people who have caused problems there. So
Yes, ma'am. I am not a problem to the bus station.
Listen to me.
I'm listening.
All right. You understand that you were trespassed from the bus station, and any delay that you had basically put you in jeopardy of being convicted of a trespass. So I think that you're a smart enough guy to figure out that you need to do things to avoid having confrontation with the security at the bus station. Do you understand?
I'm able to do that, yes, ma'am.
All right. I'm going to take a chance with you, Mr. Williams, and I'm going to release you on your own recognizance. But I want you to know this, that if you get convicted of this new trespassing charge, you could be eligible for revocation of your previous sentence to jail. So you're looking at some jail time if you can't stay out of trouble. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am. Completely understood. I will stay out of trouble.
I'm going to order then that you stay away from the RTC bus station except to ride, and you may want to get off on at a stop short of the bus station so you don't get in trouble with the security agents again. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am, will do.
All right, you're under the obligation to obey all laws, have no alcohol or drugs without a valid prescription, including marijuana, and you're to stay away from the RTC bus station. You may ride the bus. You need to stay away or not have any prolonged contact with the RTC bus station. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am, and I do not do drugs, ma'am.
All right, I'm happy to hear that. You're excused, Mr. Williams.
Thank you. And you said I am being released on my own recognizance?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.